A beautiful lady, Miss Irene Sherlyn Bermundo Paria. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to our gorgeous debutant. You have indeed turned beautifully from a charming girl to a stunning lady. Ladies and gentlemen, ito na po ang kanyang family to give the bouquet. Alright, so yan po ang family po ng ating debutant. Magkakaroon na rin po tayo ng family picture. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat kay Mommy and Daddy, and of course sa kanyang dalawang siblings. And ladies and gentlemen, our dear friends, as we formally start this momentous occasion, may I request everyone to please stand and humility as we offer ourselves